I'm Malika from Delhi, India. We're a team of 7 people coming from Silwan School in Delhi. What we've got with us is a determination to do something, because seeing all what is happening around, all over the world, not only in India, actually we were touched by it, because people coming from all over the world, but the fights, the agitations all over the world, they actually deteriorate the mindsets of the people. Like, we have been given all these things from ancestors, coming from deep below the, history of India, and not even India, or the world. So our main aim was to inculcate a new mind, a new feeling, with the youth, not even the youth, maybe the whole world, that we need to take an action against it. Now we, in our school, taking a small step towards it, we in our school, to know what is the mindset of the people in Delhi, we conducted a competition. We conducted a week. We named it as the URI Communal Harmony Week. So in that we conducted competitions through which we could come to know that what do people actually think about communal harmony and the need for it. We got responses which were really touching, some in the negative sense and some in the positive sense. From that, actually, what we came to know was that people they think that they're being discriminated by us. Okay, maybe I think that I'm being discriminated because you are foreigners and I'm an Indian. Okay, so this is the mindset of the people between maybe even two Indians. Okay, between an Indian and a foreigner, maybe anyone. So this was our main aim, to come here so that we can learn and spread the message too. We have a group of 2,000 people in our school. Even if we take a step to educate those 2,000 towards communal harmony, maybe going back to their families, going back to their homes, they do it to a bigger mass of people. That was the main aim. Actually, I'd like to show you some pics. We were away with those competitions, so we got some excellent responses by the students of the school. I would like to just show you that. And have any of you heard about Sarvadam Sabha? Anyone? Sarvadam Sabha. Okay, this is a practice in a school. People from different religions. Actually, we take 5 religions: Hinduism, the Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, and Jainism. Now, collecting people from all these religions in a school, and every day we have assemblies in the school, and in that, people, like I'm a Hindu, I will chant a Muslim prayer. I will pray from the Islam, the Quran. Okay, some Buddhist will chant something from the Jain culture. So, interfaith, and everybody, not only us, everybody in the assembly participates into it. So this was our action to make people realize that every religion is equal and teaches the same thing. Like, we've been seeing that in these years, about say 10 or 15 years, there has been vast deterioration in the moral character of people because of religion. We've been seeing that people fight on the basis of religion, they think that they're being discriminated on the basis of religion, but actually it is the mindset itself. If we look at the brighter side of it, I think there is no point that we have these fights with us. I would like to show you some of these cards which were shown to us by these students. We got these essays and slogans which were really touching, and we actually had to, look into everybody's mindset. We were so amazed by what all they were thinking, maybe in the positive or in the negative sense. We don't know, but that was something which we really is one thing which can affect the whole world together. Okay, I alone can make no changes in the world. So together we have to take a bold action if we want to do something. So a very small step, maybe at the grassroots level, 2,000 people can't affect the whole world. That's for sure. But maybe steps can, lead you to making the world a better place. So this was our ultimate aim, the Silvanians, that we need to learn and we need to spread our message to everyone.
How old were the